Good morning. This is Vijay here. Thank you for joining us. Today is Thursday, the weekly settlement Thursday, 4th of April 2024. First of all, let me thank all of you. We have reached a small a milestone nevertheless of 500 subscribers. So please continue to like, share, and subscribe so that it's much more encouraging as we go along. This channel is for the discerning viewer and not looking for any day-to-day tips, as you may be aware in the last fortnight. So yesterday was a remarkable day because we opened with more than 100-point gap down, and then the bulls pounced on those bargains and then took it up significantly into positive territory. But late selling brought the prices down. Primarily, institutions, the domestic institutions bought as usual, and foreigners sold as usual. The peculiarity of yesterday was that generally institutional interest is by and large positive. If that is, if FIs sell, DIs buy more than that. But yesterday, DIs bought, but FIs sold double of that quantity. That is why you saw weakness at the higher levels. As far as the NSE turnover was concerned, NSE turnover remained above 1 lakh crores, about 1 lakh 7,000 crores. So that is a very standard standard turnover. As far as the direction for the day is concerned, volatility should be expected, especially in the last half an hour because of the weekly settlement. But you will see what we call the Rahu column effect between 1:30 and 3 o'clock when the markets are likely to be dull. The Lakshman Rekha is yesterday's highs, which is almost close to the all-time highs on the top side, and the bottom we have yesterday's lows, which is I think around 2,340. Anything above or below trading for more than a couple of hours will give us the direction. Please note that the RBI is having its MPC meeting, and tomorrow is when they will announce their deliberations as what has happened as far as the deliberations are concerned. So that's for tomorrow. For today, we'll have to look at what is happening elsewhere. US opened lower, went up, then finally Dow Jones closed in the negative. You had Standard Poor closing flat and Nasdaq closing positive. The US futures are all up, so we'll expect a gap up in Nifty about 60 points, 50 to 60 points. That's what the GIFT Nifty is suggesting. So that is as far as the internals are concerned. Yesterday, surprisingly, IT stocks went up, which I was really not thinking they will do, but they did go up. And as a trader, we were caught on the wrong side on TCS. We later came to know as to why TCS and other Tata Group stocks went up, because NSE is now introducing Tata Index, which is from April 8th. So that is probably the reason why all the Tata stocks perked up, which may continue even today. Otherwise, it will be script specific kind of a day. While Reliance did poorly yesterday, primarily because oil rose. Today, it could be Bharti, which may not do that well because the Hexaware Bharti the IPO is got subscribed. So there is no reason for them to support the Bharti Airtel price. So that is as far as the particular stocks are concerned. There are other stocks like I expect Sun TV to be in the limelight. Yesterday it showed certain glimpses. Same thing with Deepak Fertilizers and Biocon. Biocon also showed some strength yesterday. Bata India is trading at multi-month low. The same thing with Zodiac, which was showing some promise in the last 3-4 days. Of course, Zodiac is a company which is, I would say, more of a speculative nature. So there could be a lot of speculators in that. Fundamentally, it is not a great company, though it's a great brand. As far as stocks which may come under pressure at higher levels, in my opinion, it will be defense stocks and IT stocks, simply because they have shot up like anything. Yesterday, PSCs and PSUs did well as usual. Punjab National Bank made a 52-week high, so that will be in focus. So will State Bank of India be. So that's as far as the particular stocks are concerned. Today, Asian markets, Hong Kong is closed, and Nikkei is up 650 points. Nikkei is a very volatile index. One day 500 points down, one day 500 points up. So it's extremely difficult to trade. But primarily, the focus will be on commodities. That's what I titled today's topic. Oil is now close to $90. Brent crude, I'm talking about, it's now trading at 89.5. The precious metals continue to make new records. Gold went to 2320 levels, which is an all-time high. And silver, which was sleeping, the poor cousin of gold, took off 26. Yesterday it took out 26, and today it's taken out 27. I'm very bullish on silver because the silver's all-time high is somewhere around $50. And when silver moves, it moves really very, very fast, unlike gold, which is a lot of vested interests are there, both on the long as well as the short side. The silver, it is like a, what shall I say? It's like a tech stock, which will, when it moves, it really goes haywire. So I'm looking at silver to do some funny things on the upside rather than on the downside. So therefore, this is what it is today. Please trade safely and hope you make it a profitable trading day. Thank you.